Ever wondered why some business owners seem to get every banking perk, from free transfers to instant approvals, while others are stuck paying endless fees? The truth is, it's not luck. It's because they know how to choose the right business bank account. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to pick one that saves you money, helps your business grow, and actually works for you. Number 1. Why your business bank account matters. Let's start with this. Your business bank account is more than a place to store money. It's the foundation of how your business handles cash flow, taxes, and even credibility. Imagine you're running a small bakery. You get paid for cakes and pastries every day. If all those payments go into your personal account, you'll have a nightmare figuring out what's personal spending and what's business income. Separating them helps you track expenses, prove business legitimacy, and make tax time easier. It also helps when applying for loans because lenders look at your business banking history. A business account isn't just paperwork. It's a line that separates you as an individual from your business as a real, legal entity. Number 2. Understand what kind of business you have. Before you even walk into a bank, you need to know what type of business you're running. If you're a freelancer or sole proprietor, you might only need a simple checking account with low fees. If you run an LLC or corporation, you'll need an account that supports multiple users, payroll, and business credit. Think of it like buying shoes. A marathon runner doesn't wear flip-flops. Your business type determines what banking features fit best. For example, an online store may need seamless integration with Stripe or PayPal, while a landscaping business might care more about mobile check deposits and nearby ATMs. Number 3. Choose between traditional and online banks. Here's where most business owners get stuck. Should you choose a traditional brick-and-mortar bank or an online bank? Traditional banks like Chase, Bank of America, or Wells Fargo give you personal relationships and in-person service. That's great if you need to deposit cash or meet a banker face-to-face for loans. Online banks like Bluevine, Novo, or Mercury often offer higher interest on balances, fewer fees, and faster tech-based tools. If you rarely handle cash and want to manage everything from your laptop, online banks can save you both time and money. But if you're the kind of person who likes to walk into a branch and talk to someone who knows your name, a traditional bank might feel more reliable. Number 4. Compare fees and minimum balances. This part can save you hundreds every year. Banks love to advertise free business accounts, but here's the catch. Many require you to maintain a minimum balance or they'll charge monthly fees. For example, some banks might charge $15 a month unless you keep at least $1,500 in your account. Others might charge for every wire transfer or even for depositing too much cash. Look for accounts that fit your business habits. If your balance fluctuates a lot, go for one with no minimum requirement. If you make frequent transfers, find one that offers unlimited free transactions. Always read the fine print before signing anything. Hidden fees can quietly drain your profits. Number 5. Look for tools that help you manage your money. The best business bank accounts today are like financial command centers. They come with built-in tools that make your life easier. Some banks offer expense tracking, automatic categorization of purchases, and invoice generation right from their app. For example, Bluevine offers sub-accounts, so you can automatically separate money for taxes, payroll, or new equipment. If you're terrible at keeping receipts or organizing expenses, these features can save you hours of stress and help you stay compliant when tax season hits. Number 6. Consider the bank's reputation and customer support. When you're running a business, time is money. If your card stops working or your account gets flagged, you need support, fast. Before choosing a bank, check customer reviews. Does their support team respond quickly? Are their lines open on weekends? For instance, some online banks only offer chat-based support, which might not help in urgent situations. On the other hand, traditional banks might have slower tech support but offer in-person solutions. If your business relies on constant transactions, customer service can make or break your banking experience. Number 7. Check for integration with business tools. This is where many beginners miss out. Your business account should work with your accounting or payment tools. If you use QuickBooks, Shopify, or Square, make sure your bank integrates smoothly. Otherwise, you'll waste hours manually entering transactions or risk making costly errors. For example, If your online store automatically syncs with your bank, your revenue and expenses will update instantly. No manual work, no guesswork. Think of it as building a financial ecosystem where everything talks to each other. Number 8. Evaluate interest rates and perks. Some business accounts actually pay you interest for keeping money in your account. For example, Bluevine offers interest rates that can earn you extra dollars just by letting your balance sit there. It's not life-changing money, but it's free money, and that's always good for business. Some banks also offer cashback on debit card purchases, discounts on business software, or credit building programs. These perks may seem small, but together they can save you hundreds each year. Number 9. Understand deposit and withdrawal limits. Every bank has limits on how much money you can deposit or withdraw each month. If your business handles a lot of cash, this is critical. Some banks might charge after a certain number of deposits. Others may delay funds availability for several days. For example, if you're a restaurant owner depositing cash daily, a bank with flexible deposit limits and nearby ATMs is a must. But if you're an online consultant, this won't matter as much since most of your transactions are digital. Choose a bank that matches how your money flows in and out. Number 10. Don't forget about credit options. The right bank doesn't just hold your money. It helps you access more of it. Look for banks that offer small business credit cards or lines of credit tied to your account. Why? Because establishing a relationship with your bank can help you qualify for loans faster when you need capital to expand. For example, after 6 months of using your business checking account responsibly, some banks may pre-approve you for a business credit line. That's how smart entrepreneurs build funding options before they even need them. Number 11. Prioritize security and FDIC insurance. Your business money deserves protection. Always make sure your bank is FDIC insured. That means your deposits are protected up to $250,000 per depositor per account type. Also, check for modern security features like two-factor authentication, fraud alerts, and instant card freeze options. In an age of digital scams, choosing a secure bank is like putting a lock on your business's front door. Number 12. Think about the future. Right now, your business might be small, but what happens when it grows? Will your bank grow with you? Choose a bank that scales, one that offers business savings accounts, merchant services, and even international transfers down the line. For example, today you might only need to pay local vendors, but next year you might hire freelancers overseas. Future-proofing your banking choice saves you from switching banks later, which can be a massive headache. Number 13. Open the account and test it. Once you've narrowed down your choices, don't be afraid to test the waters. Open 1 or 2 accounts and see which feels smoother to use. Check how fast deposits clear. Try the mobile app. Contact support with a question and see how they respond. Real-world experience will show you more than any online review ever could. After all, the best business account is the one that feels effortless to manage. Number 14. Ask about transaction limits and overdraft policies. Every business handles money differently. Some make hundreds of small payments, while others make just a few large ones. That's why it's important to know your bank's transaction limits. Some banks cap the number of free transfers, deposits, or withdrawals each month. Once you exceed that, you'll pay extra fees. Also, ask about overdraft protection. If your account ever dips below zero, does the bank charge a penalty, or does it automatically pull from your savings? Understanding this upfront can save you from embarrassing overdraft surprises that eat away at your profits. Number 15. Learn about cash deposit options. If your business deals with cash regularly, make sure your bank makes it easy to deposit it safely. Some online banks don't accept cash at all. Others require you to use partner ATMs or third-party services, which can charge a fee. For example, a salon or small retail shop that gets lots of cash daily will benefit more from a local bank with night drop boxes or cash-friendly ATMs. Always match your deposit method to how you earn. Number 16. Check for multi-user access and permissions. As your business grows, you might need to share your bank account with a bookkeeper, accountant, or business partner. Choose a bank that allows multiple users with adjustable permissions. That means you can control who can view balances, approve payments, or make transfers. For instance, your accountant can see your statements without being able to move money. This not only adds convenience, but also protects your business from internal fraud. Number 17. Review mobile banking features. Mobile banking is no longer optional. It's essential. You should be able to check balances, send payments, deposit checks, and receive alerts all from your phone. Look for banks with user-friendly apps that load fast and have good security ratings. A strong mobile app can literally save you hours every week by letting you manage your finances on the go. For example, if you're traveling for a trade show, you shouldn't need to visit a branch to move money or pay a vendor. Number 18. Consider international transaction support. If your business buys products or services from overseas or plans to expand globally, you'll need a bank that supports international transactions. Ask about foreign currency exchange fees, wire transfer times, and international card usage. Some banks charge high conversion rates, while others offer global-friendly business accounts with lower fees. For example, if you hire freelancers from another country or source materials abroad, this feature becomes critical. Number 19. Understand the bank's lending criteria. Building a strong relationship with your bank can open doors to credit lines, loans, and even business credit cards. But each bank has different lending standards. Some require your account to be open for 6 months. Others may need consistent revenue or a minimum balance. Before you commit, ask how their lending process works and what you can do to qualify. That way, when your business needs funding, you're already ahead of the game. Number 20. Check for easy integration with tax preparation tools. Tax season can be one of the most stressful times for a business owner. If your bank connects with tax preparation software like TurboTax or QuickBooks, it can simplify everything. You'll be able to import transactions automatically and categorize them correctly. This saves you hours of manual entry and reduces the risk of costly tax mistakes. It's a small feature that can make a huge difference when the IRS comes calling. Number 21. Ask about merchant services and payment processing. If you accept credit card or debit card payments, merchant services are a must. Some banks offer built-in payment processing that directly connects to your account. This means faster deposits, fewer third-party fees, and smoother bookkeeping. For example, if you own a cafe, you want payments from your POS system to reach your account quickly without paying extra processing charges. Always check if your bank integrates well with your preferred payment systems. Number 22. Research how fast transfers and payments clear. Cash flow timing can make or break a business. Some banks take several days to process payments, while others clear them almost instantly. If you rely on quick access to cash, like paying suppliers or staff, choose a bank that offers fast clearing times. You don't want your funds stuck in limbo when you need them most. Number 23. Check if they offer a dedicated business relationship manager. Many traditional banks assign a business relationship manager once your business grows past a certain point. Having one person who understands your business, banking history, and goals can make getting help faster and easier. They can guide you toward better account options, loans, or even exclusive offers. For example, when applying for a credit line, your relationship manager can often push your application through faster. Number 24. Ask about rewards or partner programs. Some banks partner with business platforms or services to give extra value. You might get discounts on bookkeeping software, marketing tools, or office supplies. For instance, a bank could offer you credits for using QuickBooks or discounts on payment terminals. These small perks can add up over time, especially when your business is growing. Number 25. Explore banks that offer both checking and savings for business. While checking accounts handle your daily expenses, a business savings account helps you set aside money for taxes, expansion, or emergencies. Some banks even offer higher interest on business savings accounts. This allows your idle funds to earn extra income instead of sitting untouched. Smart business owners automate transfers from checking to savings to build a financial cushion over time. Number 26. Understand how the bank handles fraud protection and alerts. In today's world, fraud happens more often than you think. Choose a bank that offers real-time alerts for suspicious transactions. Instant text or email notifications can help you catch fraudulent charges before they cause real damage. You can also ask whether the bank reimburses unauthorized transactions quickly. Peace of mind is priceless when it comes to your business's hard-earned money. Here's the truth. Choosing the right business bank account isn't about picking the biggest name or the flashiest offer. It's about finding the one that fits you, your goals, your habits, and your way of doing business. So, here's the question. If your business bank account could save you time, money, and stress every single month, wouldn't it be worth choosing the right one today? What feature do you think matters most in a business bank account? Let me know in the comments below.